Well, the heat may have you staying indoors to keep cool, but what if you have to work outdoors?
Emily Deem is live in Hollandtown to explain. Hi, Em.
Hey, good morning, Rachel and Pete. Hi, everybody. Yeah, we're all being told, to stay inside. I mean, the weather is so warm and already it's so muggy early this morning. But what if you can't stay inside if you're working outdoors? We're out here in Hollandtown. We're actually out here on County Highway D and the intersection of County Highway D and the intersection of County Highway Z out here this morning where crews are coming out. You can see the road. Take a look down here. A lot of signs you're going to see this morning is loose gravel, and you can see that right here. That's because workers are coming out this morning to actually repave this road. So if you take a look down this way, it's really foggy out here this morning too. Crews are coming out about 6 this morning. The Brown County Highway Department has been working on repaving this road since last Monday. The crew that will be out here today is going to be made of about 18 people. They were out here yesterday when temperatures were so warm. Getting out at about 6 o'clock today, they're going to be working until about 4 is what I'm told by one of the supervisors. Now they already paved some of the road. You can see back there. Can't really see it that well. It's super foggy this morning, but the gravel is ready and they're ready to pave again. There's going to be rollermen out here, pavers. There will be about 10 trucks carrying asphalt, and if you take a look over here, you can see some of the machinery they're going to be using this morning. It's going to be hot. I talked to the supervisor to see if they're doing anything different this morning. He said no. Just as workers need to drink plenty of water. They have about 5-gallon jugs they're bringing out with them of plenty of water. Should be getting out here at about 6 o'clock this morning. So we'll let you know how they're going to be handling this heat. We'll send it back to you.